Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Nissan Altima turn signal bulb. First, you'll need a few basic tools, including a flathead screwdriver and your new turn signal bulb. Make sure your car is turned off and the parking brake is set for safety. Then, open the hood and locate the headlight assembly where the turn signal is housed. This initial preparation makes the entire process much smoother and safer for you. Now, let's get to the bulb itself. You'll see two plastic clips on top of the headlight assembly. Use your flathead screwdriver to carefully pop them up and remove them. Once those are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly forward a few inches. This creates enough room to access the back of the unit, where you'll find the turn signal bulb socket. It's usually a distinct color or shape. With the socket exposed, twist it counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn to unlock it from the housing. Then, carefully pull the entire socket straight out. The old bulb simply pulls straight out from the socket. There are no twists or turns needed for the bulb itself. Take your new bulb and firmly push it into the socket until it's seated correctly. Avoid touching the glass of the new bulb with your bare hands. To finish up, reinsert the bulb socket into the headlight assembly and twist it clockwise to lock it securely in place. Carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its original position, ensuring it aligns properly. Don't forget to replace those two plastic clips you removed earlier. They hold everything firmly. Finally, test your new turn signal to confirm it's working correctly. Check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.